Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this amazing lab. So simply click on Start Lab. And after that, you have to open the Cloud Console incognito window. And if you're new to this channel, do like the video and subscribe the channel. Now just open the Cloud Console incognito window. And if any existing window is open, just close it. Now from here, just come over here and just type BigQuery, or if you are able to see, just open it. Now the first thing we'll be creating a data set. So just click on Done and click on these three dots, create data set. For the dataset name, come to the lab instruction and from here, just copy the name carefully. Make sure do not add any full stop. Now just paste it. And for the location, they have not mentioned the location. Okay, so we have to just click on create it. So finally, the dataset has been created. Now we have to just move to the next step. So first of all, come to task number 4, copy it, open the untitled query, paste it and run it. So you got the output. Now run the next query. You have to simply run the next query one by one. You can use the plus icon to start a fresh query or just replace entire content. So just run it one by one. Now once you are done, just check the score. Now run the next query. Second query. Third query. Now run the next query over here. You can see we got previous score. Now we have to reduplicate it. And finally the last query which we have to run. So we have done this and here is a possible solution. So we are just finding the errors and running the queries together. You can see the query has been completed. So in this lab it's very simple. We have to run the query one by one. Wait a second. Make sure no any query is missed. Whatever I'm running, just run similarly to it. If you miss any query, you won't be able to get the score. Wait for it to get completed and just run the next query. Now just insert it. You can just open a new tab also and run it. But I'll recommend just follow the sequence one by one. Now just check the score. So you can clearly see we have got the score and that's the way we have to complete the lab. If you have any query, you can let me in the comment section. Thank you. Have a great day.